In this short video, we will introduce you to the lift station libraries, open templates for a customizable lift station controller, available at no cost for the SCADAPack 470i and 474i. You'll find lift stations in residential, industrial, and recreational areas wherever wastewater is generated. Wastewater flows into the wet well of a local lift station after use. It is then pumped out into a gravity-fed force main pipe and typically flows into a larger regional lift station's wet well. Finally, it's pumped out into a larger gravity-fed force main and reaches the wastewater treatment plant. The SCADAPack lift station libraries may be deployed together to provide a ready-to-use lift station solution, or they may be easily adapted by you as an end user or integrator to help develop your own lift station or other water-wastewater application. The lift station libraries are intended for you to use with the SCADAPack 470i or 474i. They provide you with a fully configurable wastewater lift station controller, complete with data logging and soft HMI capabilities. SCADA system access is available using DNP3, Modbus, or other protocols. You can use the libraries as a direct replacement for Schneider's retired RealStream offer. You can quickly modify the library elements to meet the needs of specific lift stations, or you can adapt them to other water-wastewater applications, for example, wet well monitoring. The lift station libraries are a package consisting of the following open templates: a remote connect application that includes configuration and IEC 61131-3 logic for the SCADAPack 470i or 474i, a GeoSCADA template you can import that includes DNP3 objects and mimics, allowing the lift station to interface with the SCADA host, soft HMI and PC web pages created by EcoStruxure RTU Operations Expert, or Aero, or soft HMI mobile and PC web pages created in Node-RED. The SCADAPack lift station libraries are based on Schneider Electric's proven RealStream offer. As the basis for your project, they can help you to reduce the time required to manage your system. They can help you to optimize both your capital and maintenance expenses, as well as maximize asset life and increase uptime. These tools can help you to improve your system's energy efficiency and help to enable predictive maintenance as well. Plus, you can incorporate OT security with role-based access control. The SCADAPack lift station library tools can support control of up to 4 pumps using float-level transmitters. You're provided with soft HMI configurations for use with any connected PC, tablet, or smartphone, allowing you to monitor and configure your station. These soft HMIs can be provided with either a Node-RED application running in the RTU or EcoStruxure RTU Operations Expert, commonly called Aero. The provided graphic displays enable your operators to quickly understand the operational conditions of the station. A GeoSCADA expert template is also provided, enabling you to monitor and control your lift stations from a highly capable SCADA host. With GeoSCADA, you can remotely monitor site status, optimize site operations, and also save and deploy configurations. You can expand the included OpenLogic application to include more pumps, sensors, alarms, and more. The soft HMI screens can be extended to create additional dashboards, trends, and advanced controls. Your system can integrate OT security using SCADAPack functionality, including role-based access control, which is compatible with security tools such as Active Directory or CyberArk. You can add other telemetry protocols such as Modbus or IEC 60870-5-104 and use functionality within Aero or Node-RED to add third-party protocols such as Ethernet IP or MQTT and Sparkplug. You can configure the RTU to communicate directly with operators by sending text messages or emails. And Python can be used to convert raw data into actionable information right at the lift station. Here's the first few node groups in the Node-RED application. Configurable nodes are connected by links to generate logic. This group is configured to initialize a connection between the SCADAPack's Redis database and Node-RED itself. This group creates debug logs for the other nodes, and this one allows you to set values for demonstration functions. And here's more of the Node-RED logic included in the template that facilitates sharing of information between HMI web pages, Node-RED, and the SCADAPack. First, there's a block that initializes the information to be sent to the web pages, then a group that sends signals to and from the RTU I/O, a group that updates information sent to the web pages, and another that handles lift station configuration changes. The real power of Node-RED is the inclusion of JavaScript, which can be embedded within its function nodes. Node-RED is built on Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime environment. Here you can see the home page generated by the included Node-RED application. On the left is the PC-based home page, with more information available by scrolling down. And on the right is what you'll see when connecting to the home page from a smartphone. You can see that the default application allows for monitoring of several digital and analog inputs, as well as controlling digital outputs. And here's the lift station overview page as seen on either a PC or a smartphone web page. You can see that up to 4 pumps are viewable and controllable from here, and the wet well level is viewable as well. Here you can switch the pump between hand, off, and auto modes, as well as view various operational parameters of the unit. In previous slides, we've shown you the Node-RED web-based development environment, but here you can see Aero Studio, the PC-based software development tool for EcoStruxure RTU Operations Expert. Here you can see a lift station page under development, with the wet well, 4 pumps, HOA switches for the pumps, and various status and control items being displayed. It's up to you whether to develop your soft or web-based HMIs and other functionality using Node-RED or Aero Studio. Here's a look at the communication driver dialog in Aero Studio. In Remote Connect, each object your Aero application will use is configured to provide edge application access, whether read-write or read-only. Here you can see that soft HMI page in action. You'll see that pumps 2, 3, and 4 are running, and that the wet well level is currently 73.49, between the H3 and H4 set points. The HOA switches show that all 4 pumps are in auto mode. Pump 1 is off because it's configured to start up last in the priority list. All of the control set points are available along the right edge of the page. This soft HMI can be modified as required with the Aero Studio software. When accessing the web pages with a smartphone, you can see that the one large page has been divided into 4 more manageable pages: the home page, status page, configuration page, and control page. And you'll recall that the lift station libraries also include a GeoSCADA expert template. Here you can see the GeoSCADA host software, currently in edit mode, displaying the provided suite of graphics, analog and digital points, pumps, and RTU communication functionality. Here's the GeoSCADA Mimic that was shown in development mode a moment ago, now fully operational. Pump 1 is currently off. The lift station templates provide you with a basic wet well implementation, including pumps and floats, but you may want to consider adding other features to create a complete solution. These can include additional permissive conditions for pump rotation, as well as additional pumps and/or stations, VFD status, control, and configuration pages, pump faults, runtime management, and reversing controls, or other tabs and nodes in Node-RED or additional RTU logic. You may add these features in the system front end in Node-RED, GeoSCADA, or Aero, for example, or the back end in the SCADAPack logic. Finally, here's a list of support resources you can access. This includes technical support as well as ordering and pre-sale technical support. The Schneider Electric Remote Operations team is here to assist you in your lift station project development. Thanks for watching this video, in which we introduced the lift station libraries for the SCADAPack 470i and 474i. To learn more about the SCADAPack, access the user documentation on the Schneider Electric website. Also, see our videos on YouTube.